Assalamu alaikum. It's been long that I've been thinking about, making this video and coming online and talking to everybody, because most of the times when I go to any places where people know me, they keep on starting asking me this question कि जी आपने वज़न कैसे कम किया है, आप तो बड़े कमज़ोर हो गए हैं, और सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ। तो मेरी जो है स्टोरी, वो बेसिकली इट स्टार्ट्स विद दिस के हमारे एक ऑफिस का एक फंक्शन हो रहा था लाइक 2018 में, फरवरी में। तो वहाँ पर हमारे एक कुलीग हैं, ही बिलोंग्स टू यूएई। सो ही बेसिकली आई सॉ हिम एंड ही हैड आल्सो लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट। सो मैंने उसको कहा कि मिस्टर मैदी, हाउ हैव यू लॉस्ट वेट? So he said that I've stopped eating chawal and roti, and that's where I found out about the keto diet, and that was the day that I started off with the same kind of food, because we were in a 5-star hotel, and उस restaurant में जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने वो खाना खाना था, वहाँ पर वो सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल थी ऑलमोस्ट जो कि कीटो में होती हैं। एंड starting from that day till today, I am on that diet. So as we go along, I'll be making more detailed videos, and I'll be sharing it with all of you, so that you can learn more about what all have I done to go through this transformation. Most of the times I see my relatives and friends and family telling me that please stop, और आप जो है वो बहुत कमज़ोर हो गए हैं, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ। तो मैं उनको ये कहता हूँ कि जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा था, तो उस वक्त तो आप मुझे ये नहीं कहते थे कि यार तुम बहुत ज़्यादा मोटे हो गए हो तो ज़रा खाना छोड़ दो। तो अभी जो है जब खाना छोड़ दिया है तो आप वाई डू वांट मी टू गेट फैट? एनीवेज, आई फील प्रिटी हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी doing this, so as long as I feel that way, I don't think that I should be stopping anyways. um, Thank you for everybody joining me. I think Umar Imran is here, Saad is here, Alamgir is here, and I also see Faiza, Sadia is here, Abdur Ghaffar Rao is here. So anyways, so yes, at times people say कि जी keto diet is very expensive. Once I went to one of our functions in our office, and everybody made a skit about it, that the our EVP is so rich so he can have all this expensive food. But that's not true. There is a जिसे कहते हैं cheaper version of keto available as well, which is more about having eggs and other stuff. And eggs is the most um, recommended kind of a diet in keto. So anyways, I'll be talking more. For now, bye. Thank you.